Hello my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the circulatory pathways. There are two basic types of circulatory pathways, the open type and the closed type. So let's discuss what are circulatory pathways at first, then proceed into the types of circulatory pathways. As we know that blood and lymph are the important fluids in the body that acts as a carrier in transporting nutrients, hormones and various other materials even to the farthest tissue in the body. Now, there a question arises that what makes this blood to circulate inside the body? So the answer to this question lies in the fact that to circulate this blood throughout the body, a muscular pump is required, and this pump is known as the heart. Depending upon the circulatory pathways in the higher organism, the circulatory pathways are of two types that I have discussed just now, the open type and the closed type. So what happens in the open circulatory system? In this type of circulatory system, the blood which is pumped by the heart is passed through a vessel into the spaces or body cavities known as sinuses. From there, the blood is collected by large veins which open into the heart. In this type of system, the blood does not contain the respiratory pigment as if present is dissolved in the plasma. This type of system is found in arthropods and mollusks. So there is no capillary system or interconnecting vessels found in this type of circulatory system. Hence, it is known as open type of circulatory system. Next, move on to the closed circulatory system. In this type of circulatory system, the blood pumped by the heart is always circulated inside the vessel. That is, it is never present in large spaces or sinuses. From evolutionary point of view, this pattern is considered to be the most advantageous as it supplies blood to the deepest tissue of the body. It is found in annelids and chordates. That means you can understand we too possess this type of circulatory system as we are chordata. Here we must list some differences between the two types of circulatory pathway. In the open type of circulatory pathway, as I told you, the blood is pumped by the heart into the tissue spaces called sinuses, where in the closed type, the blood is pumped by the heart into closed blood vessels. Now, in the open type, blood is in direct contact with the tissue cells, while in the closed type, blood does not come in contact with the tissue cells. In the open type of circulatory system, blood returns to the heart very slowly, while in the closed type of circulatory system, blood returns to the heart rapidly. Even the pressure of the blood in the open type is very low, while the pressure in the closed type of circulatory system is very high. In open type of circulatory system, respiratory pigment is present if present is dissolved in the blood plasma. While in the closed type, the respiratory pigment is present and may be dissolved in plasma, but is usually held in the RBC or red blood corpuscles. So, in the open type, the exchange of respiratory gases, nutrients, waste, it occurs directly between the blood and tissue. While in the closed type, the exchange of respiratory gases, nutrient, waste, they takes place between tissue and blood occur via tissue fluid. So, my dear students, it was all about the open and closed type of circulatory pathways, their functions and the differences. Hope you got some idea about the two types of circulatory systems and found it interesting. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.